welcome back to the bathroom remodel series. I'm going to be taking off these baseboards here because the next step is actually I'm going to sand these walls and then skim coat them, make them nice and smooth. So I want to get it down as low as I can to make a nice smooth finish to the floor, because we're going to replace these baseboards anyway and put something else. So first thing I want to do is just basically cut this caulk here. So from the wall to the baseboard, I'm just using this handy 7-in-1 tool. So I'm just gonna break it free. Just run that all along. And then I'm actually, just to get under it a little, I'm just gonna hit it with the hammer there. I'm gonna do that in a few spots. I don't care about keeping this, so no big deal if we mess it up. And then we've got our pry bar. We've got the baseboards removed. Now we are ready to sand these walls down before we apply the mud and skim coat and fix all these holes. Reason being, we need to sand before we apply guards to actually block in whatever residual paper and glue might be left on the wall. So we need to sand, because I'll show you. Got a bunch of crumbly stuff here. Even after scraping all the paper and glue off, unfortunately it was left with this. So we need to sand everything down, apply the guards, fix the holes, then skim coat. So we'll get started with sanding. We've just got a pole sander here. And I've got these drywall sheets. And then there's a bunch of little bits like here and there with some caulk residue. So we're just going to use this, our simple 7-in-1 tool like we used earlier. So we'll just smooth some of those bits out. You see here, this is where the tile was before, so we're just gonna get everything nice and smooth using this and using the pole sander.